Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to make your own emoji on iOS 18. Now doing this is actually very basic, but you do have to understand that you will have to be on a certain version of iOS. You will have to be on iOS 18.2 and you have to have Apple Intelligence, so you have to have an iPhone 15, you have to have an iPhone 15 Pro or newer. So make sure you're updated. I have an iPhone 13 Pro Max. It doesn't support it on my phone, but let me still continue with the tutorial. Go to your general settings, click on software update, and just go through and update your phone. Now, when you have that, the next thing you are basically going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over to some sort of texting, area. So in this case, I can go and get into my iMessage here, and I can go and click on the little, text box at the bottom. Now, what I want to do is I want to go and click on the emoji icon, which is right there. So tap an emoji and you will see this page come up. Now, next to describe an emoji, there's going to be a little box that comes up right there. All you want to do is you want to go and tap onto that box, and this is how you can go and create your own emoji. This is called Gen emoji. So if I wanted to kind of make like a random thing, like let's say I wanted to make a dog like singing, right? Let's say I want to make a singing dog or something like that. What I can do is I can go and write dog singing and it will go ahead and start creating emojis for me that describe what I was saying, but that's basically all you have to do. And I can go through and start creating my own emojis like this. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.